This is Ruden Fall, Antalya, Turkey, which is about 10 kilometers from the Antalya beach. You can see. Oh my God! There's splashing rainbow over there. So many people. God bless you. Have a nice day.